Hello my dear viewers, welcome to my channel. Marilyn Korea here. Today I am having an interesting recipe of dry prawns. Okay, dry prawns made into chutney, or it is called Kismur in Goan Konkani, and this is a very good dish which they make when you have plain dal with rice or samarachi curry or sorak. Okay, and these are the prawns. These are the dried prawns. Before soaking them, they will look like this. The one which is in my right hand. Okay, I have cleaned them, removed their heads. Okay, removed their heads, washed it 4 and 5 times until the water comes clean. Then soaked it with hot water for half an hour, and now it is ready to cook, for which I will light the gas. I am putting a little coconut oil. I have to fry these prawns which I soaked and drained all the water. Reduce the flame to medium. Fry till almost the water from the prawns are dried up. Now take it out. Okay, I am putting 5 to 6 garlic cloves which I smashed. Then put in 2-3 green chilies that I have, 3 green chilies that I cut. Now put in these sliced onions, about 2.5 sliced onions I have taken, big onion. This require a lot of onions. You can put 3 onions. Fry this till it becomes translucent. The raw taste goes, raw flavor goes. This is prawn chutney, you may call it, or Kismur in Konkani. Put little salt because prawns have salt in it, so put little, after you can add if you want more. Let it become slightly brown. Put little sugar. And 5 to 6 kokum pieces. This will give it a tangy taste. Now I can add in the fried prawns. Cook this on low flame, medium low. Keep on stirring. Now remember, this is 100 grams of prawns I bought, but after cleaning they became 50 grams. Okay? It was this measurement. Okay? This measurement of prawns. Actually it was 2, but after cleaning it became 1. So it became 50 grams. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. And this is half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder. Now what we do is, on slow flame, cover it and put a little water on this plate. It doesn't mean you have to put the water inside. Let it cook. Now let this cook for 2 minutes. I'm doing this. See, I have not put this water in this, okay? I just kept it so that this doesn't get burnt. Now put in 2 handful of scraped coriander and 1 handful of coriander cilantro. Stir it. So it became dry prawn chutney or your Kismur. Yes. Now put it off and cover it. It's over. Come, bring it up. I will taste it. Just give me one more time. Good, very good. The salt is little less, but I think it's okay. Very nice. Salt is less, but